My name is Chimuka Muiinga. I have just completed my master's degree in public health at Texila American University. I found out about Texila American University through a friend who highly recommended it. Considering that I was in a new job, I needed a course that would offer me flexible hours while I studied, as well as worked and took care of my family. I also needed a course that would increase my knowledge and improve my career in the new job as an occupational health officer. The faculty at Texila American University are motivating and encouraging and help you throughout the course. With this course, I'm ready to go out into the world and offer my services as a public health practitioner. Thank you, Texila American University.